this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today we are here with a collaboration video for Freehand. This month, sorry to check it, this month our theme is leaves. I've started on this nail here. I'm very, what's the word I'm looking for? Very uncomfortable with freehand. If I'm on a dotting tool, I'm okay. I'm more comfortable with it. But with a brush, So this is where I need practice. This is where the freehand collaboration is going to help me. Here are my nails. I have got a nude by the Nail Reserve. Check out that company. I do have a link and a discount code down in the bottom, or in the description box. I guess I should put my glasses on and I can see the name. This is called Beauty in the Nude. And it is this color. It is true to color, as you can see. It is beautiful. I only use beautiful polishes. But, they're not but here's the caboodle of what I'm using today. They are all from iGel Beauty. I've got my top coat. Cherry Bomb is my red. My brown I'm going to use Oktoberfest. My orange is Blazing Orange. And my yellow is Mellow Yellow. So, that's what's on my palette. My green is from Madam Glam. It is Jenna. So that's what's out on the palette. I was using, with the brown here, the brown from She Modern Sticky Stamping Polish, but, and the reason I'm not going to continue to use it, the brush I'm using, let's see if you can see this. It's by Robin Moses. This is not no cheap brush. This is the best. This is the wand. The reason I'm not using it, I'm using my gel paints. I've had this for quite some time. I'm very intimidated by this brush because it's Robin's. I don't know proper care for it. She uses acrylic paints. That's what her videos for brush care are on that I found. I use gel, so I don't want to dry the brush out. I did condition it before, because I did have the sticky stampy polish in, so I did clean that out, so I conditioned it. Anyways, we're gonna jump in with each nail. So I'm gonna, okay, let me get that brown out of my face. This brown right there is the sticky stamping polish. I do not want to use that. I want to load up my brush with Oktoberfest. So load up your brush, get your paint. Oh, I'm sorry, I've got a really, really snotty nose right now. Brace your fingers. Let me see. Whoops. Chino says, load your brush this way. Do not scoop it. Load your brush. So let me thicken this line up just a little bit. I'm going to do all my branches are going to be all different ways. I wish I could do a tree. I can do a scary tree, but with a dotting tool. But we're not trying to have a scary tree. Oh shoot. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Okay, let's see where we're gonna go with this one. Should have dragged this in the opposite direction. I'm very sorry. Where should we go? Where should we go? Okay. So I'm going to draw my branches, pop those for a really quick 10-second cure. And then we'll draw some leaves. There we go. The pop these in. Give me a 10-second cure. We're not even doing a 30, we're only doing a 10. It's alright. It's alright. Now, before I started this, I was watching a Robin Moses video, because I have no idea how to draw leaves, and I'm just going to do it to the best of my ability. And hope for the best. She says a tree loses their branches from the tip up to the base of the tree. I never knew that. So, we're going to go in with some yellow. Makes me feel like I need some more. Ow. My knuckle cracked. Alright. So, that's too much at the tip, I feel. We are going to go into the tip of each branch with our yellow. And draw us a leaf. Okay. We're going to go down the assembly line. I'm going to do that. And also hoping for the best here. You never know. As long as they somewhat look like leaves, I'll be very pleased. Here. I'm very sorry, that's very weird of me. Okay, I've got a paper towel here off to the side. I'm just like wiping the color off. I don't know what rule of thumb is for gel. I don't. I don't know how to clean the brush in between colors. I don't know how to take care of the brush. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, what? Forget it. Having a total brain fart here. A total brain fart. Once again, these will go in the lamp for 10. I'm gonna get the yellow out of my brush. And we'll be jumping back into the next color. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, like an assembly line. I'm gonna pause, get a couple colors going in, and we shall return. Okay, I'm back. I've done the orange. That's all I did without you. Still have to do the red, pull in some green here and there. The idea of this thing is freehand, and part of it is to show you what I am doing, so I just don't see the need really to pause the video. So, So here I am. We're gonna pull this in some red leaves. Just do them in not exactly different directions, but load up my brush one more time. Down below or in the description box shall be a playlist pinned. Hopefully it'll be in the comments. That's where I like to put them if I can remember. A playlist of everybody that did a video. That way you can go and watch everybody's video, show some love and support for them. I greatly appreciate that. There will be a collage up on Instagram with a participation list of who all took place. That'll be for videos, and that some people do videos, some do just pictures. I do both. So please, you know, like I asked, show your love and support. Show your love and support. Oh, what was that? Oh, I need some green. I need some green. Oh, that was my nail that flung off here. Not sure how on that happened. Is the right direction going on? Load my brush. Pull it out. Pull it out. Oh, jeez, oh, Pete Louise. I don't think I'm doing that horrible of a job. I really don't. I'm out of frame too, aren't I? Oops. Feel like I got shaky hand syndrome going on or something. I'm nervous doing this. You know, this is so out of my comfort zone, and doing the best I can. So hopefully you will show your love and support down in the comments. Let me know how you think I did. I don't think it's that bad. After this, when I pop these back in the lamp, I can't talk. I'm gonna cure them for a full 60, not the 10 seconds that I was. That was just so I can continue. Here they are finished. I don't think I did that bad of a job. Might be a little busy. But I'm popping those in. I'm going to give those a full 60-second cure. And we'll be back to top coat. Okay, we are back. We are here to top coat now. And I will be putting these in for a full 60 to cure. I'm sorry if I'm out of frame, not paying attention really. Oh ladies, don't forget, I've got a giveaway going. Oh, I forgot here, what is world? I have a giveaway going on for Modern Sticky Stamping Polish for the black and white, a set. It is open to everyone, but there are rules that must be followed and things that must be agreed to if you are international. So please go watch my Modern Saturday giveaway video and follow the rules. Give it a good view. Share, share, share. You never know who you might know that might be interested in it. And I would really appreciate if you did share, even if you're not interested. There we go. We are top coated. And we're going to go in the lamp. Alright, alright, alright. We are finished and out of the lamp. I think this turned out really super cute. I think I did a good job. Maybe too many leaves on some of the branches, but I think I did a good job. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my freehand leaves today. I'd greatly appreciate it. I really would. I'd like to hear what you have to say as my public, my viewers, my watchers, my supporters. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Click on the notification bell, that way you get notified about future videos, all my giveaways, and anything important that may come across my desk. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.